Have you ever felt stuck, like you're just going through the motions, not finding meaning in the things that you do, and you just get this sense that something is missing? That's a powerful signal. It's a great indication that it's time to reevaluate and a time to allow the beauty of life's nudges begin to teach you and direct you to the path of purpose and destiny. Welcome to the Wonder Woman Emerge Academy. My name is Ishola Aranmolate. I am a woman of faith with an unwavering belief in the God-bestowed human potential. And I'm also an organizational psychologist, and I'm here to take you on a journey where we make sense of how the profound principles of life, faith, psychology, authentic creativity, and science connect with each other to help us unravel our inner strength and guide us towards a life of purpose and fulfillment in everything that we do. In this first chapter, we begin with the unraveling of the subject identity. Identity is a great place to begin because if you don't understand what makes a thing unique, how can you understand its purpose? Let's explore basic human identity. The human journey begins with a single cell, the zygote. This remarkable cell, formed by the union of sperm and egg, carries within it the complete blueprint for an entire human being. Through a series of intricate divisions and differentiations, this single cell gives rise to trillions of specialized cells, ultimately forming a complex organism capable of thought, emotion, and consciousness. This fundamental principle underscores the profound unity of life, reminding us of our shared origins and the intricate processes that shape our existence. In nature, we observe this principle everywhere. Science meticulously classifies plants, identifying each species by its distinct characteristics. Citrus fruits, for example, come in countless varieties, each with its own flavor, function, and place in the ecosystem. For example, you have Citrus limon, which is the lemon, Citrus paradisi, which is the grapefruit, and Citrus reticulata, which is the mandarin. All of these fruits at some point in their developmental journey may look the same, but at some point you can differentiate them not only by how they appear, but also by how they taste. Similarly, humans, while sharing a common genetic blueprint, possess unique combinations of traits that make us who we are. In psychology, psychosocial theory explores human identity within the context of a combination of nature and nurture. That is, humans, while genetically predetermined to have certain traits, our environment, our social interactions can elicit epigenetic changes that allow for unique expressions beyond our DNA's determination. In simple terms, imagine your DNA as a cookbook. Epigenetic changes are like sticky notes or bookmarks that tell your cells which recipes to use and when. These changes can affect how your body develops and functions, how you think and react to situations, even though the underlying cookbook, which is your DNA, remains the same. These individual differences guide our experiences and shape our destinies in many ways. So in order to navigate this world of differences, we recognize them by naming them. One of the greatest human gifts is the ability to put a name to occurrences, objects, and living beings. A name, in essence, is a label that encapsulates the essence of something. In the New Testament Bible, name stems from the Greek word onoma. Onoma encompasses not merely the literal designation of an individual or location, but also extends to encompass authority, character, reputation, and the very core of one's identity. Frequently, onoma is employed to convey the fundamental nature or essence of an individual, the inherent power or authority associated with that person. In both ancient Greek and Jewish cultures, a name transcended the realm of a simple label. It was deeply believed to encapsulate the very essence and character of an individual. Names were often bestowed with prophetic significance, reflecting the individual's destined role or fate. My question to you now is, what is your name? What is your essence? What is your authority? Consider this. What are your strengths? What are you passionate about? What brings you joy when you're engaged in it? When you weave these together, you begin to find your true name. your true identity. Take, for example, Deborah, a powerful woman in the Bible. Her name was derived from the Hebrew word dabar, which means to speak. Her name reflected her role as a leader, guiding and uniting the people of Israel. Her calling was to speak truth and inspire courage, and her name perfectly embodied her mission. So I ask you again, what is your name? What is your unique essence? What is your authority? I want you to ponder on this question as we prepare for our next episode. Again, this is the Wonder Woman Emerge Academy.